Most AI app builders promise speed. Very few promise a complete working product. MeDo claims you can describe an app in plain English and get a real application, front-end, backend, database, and logic without touching code or setting up infrastructure. That's a bold claim. What's also important is that MeDo is designed for non-technical users too. You don't need to be a developer to use it. The goal is to remove as much setup, wiring, and busy work as possible. So in this video, I'm going to put that claim to the test. I'll test MeDo end to end. I'll prompt it to build a real subscription tracking app, walk through what it generates, make changes using prompts, and then publish the result. The goal here is simple: to see how much of the app building process MeDo actually removes and where its limits start to show. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. I'm on the MeDo front page. I'm going to click the login button. I'm entering my login credentials. I'm now logged in. I'm typing my prompt. The prompt tells MeDo to build a full web app that visually tracks subscriptions and services, showing cost, category, renewal date, and status. It focuses on a clean dashboard with category filters, a renewing soon section, and a timeline style overview. I'll click the prompt optimization button, and MeDo rewrites the prompt to be more structured and detailed. This is useful if you have a clear idea but struggle to express it precisely. I'll go ahead and click send. MeDo starts by generating a markdown overview that outlines what it's about to build. Now it's generating the app. MeDo is done and the app is ready. Let's check it out. I'm signing up inside the app MeDo just created. I'm now on the dashboard. At first glance, it looks functional but a bit plain. So I want to see if MeDo can improve the UI without changing the underlying structure. I'm typing another prompt. I'll click send. MeDo updates the visual design of the dashboard. The layout is clearer, the spacing feels better, and the app already feels more polished. What I like here is that instead of touching code, I'm just describing what I want changed, and the app adjusts accordingly. Let's add some subscriptions to see how MeDo handles the logic and data. I'll click add subscription. I'm entering the name, cost, billing cycle, category, and renewal date. Now I have one subscription added. I'll add a few more to see how the dashboard scales. What's important here isn't just that data is being stored. MeDo automatically set up the data structure, handled state updates, and kept everything in sync without me configuring a database or wiring backend logic manually. As I add more subscriptions, monthly totals, annual totals, categories, and upcoming renewals update automatically. There is no extra setup step here. This is the difference between generating UI and generating an actual working system. To preview mobile responsiveness, I'll click the switch to mobile button. The layout adapts cleanly and the core information stays readable without additional configuration. At this point, the app itself works, but for real-world use cases, what really matters is monetization. MeDo supports plugins including Stripe integration, which allows you to add payments without manually wiring APIs. For example, an app like this could easily be extended with paid plans or subscriptions by enabling Stripe through the plugin system, for example. You don't need to write payment logic from scratch. This is where MeDo starts to move beyond simple demos and into apps that could actually support a business. The app is ready to go live. I'll click publish, select marketplace, and then click publish now. MeDo is publishing the app, and now the app is live. From idea to live app, the whole process took just a few minutes. I didn't start from a template. I didn't wire anything manually. I described what I wanted, and MeDo handled the structure, the UI, and the logic. It's worth briefly situating this alongside other AI app builders, including Lovable. Tools like Lovable are designed to help you move quickly at the early stage of a project, especially when you want to explore ideas or generate an initial structure. MeDo, on the other hand, approaches the problem from a slightly different angle. The focus here is on carrying that initial intent through to a complete usable application with the data, logic, and flow already working together. This isn't about one tool being better than another, but about where they fit in the workflow and what kind of outcome you're aiming for. So here's the bottom line. MeDo delivered on the core promise. I described an app in plain English. It generated a working product with the UI, logic, and full flow. And when I wanted changes, I didn't touch code. I just updated the prompt and the app adjusted. That's the real value here. MeDo removes a lot of the setup, wiring, and busy work that usually slows you down. For building a functional app fast, testing an idea, or getting something live in minutes, MeDo is legit. If you want to try it, check the links in the description. MeDo starts at $20 for 2,000 credits. And if you sign up using my affiliate link or enter the invite code, you will get an extra 300 free credits to experiment with. Let me know what you want me to test with MeDo. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.